detective part.
Okay, ano yung itanong?
Message.
First of all, gusto kong pasalamatan syempre ang buong GMA dahil I'm honored na naging bahagi ako ng show na ito. Next, syempre maraming salamat sa Kapuso Brigade. Thank you so much for being here. Sa ating mga vloggers. Kayo na po ang bahalang tulungan kami at yung buong show para po spread ang masayang at pinaghirapan namin na palabas. At saka, ayun, itantay ko yung eksena ko. Ibang klase, ang galing ko doon sa eksena.
Super galing!
Ang galing ko yung eksena. Salamat po for coming. Thank you so much. Salamat po.
Ayan, ako naman gusto magpa-thank you especially sa GMA at sa lahat ng bumubuo ng show na to. And abangan niyo po yung show kasi sobrang pinaghirapan po namin ito lahat. And sabi nga yung direct choice, pati savings na. Binigay na namin. So, ayun. Sana abangan niyo po at supportahan niyo po. Thank you.
Yes, ulitin ko rin yung sinabi nila. Thank you again for coming. Please support it. More scenes to come. Para sa mga fans ng original My Love from the Stars, we stayed true to the story and the love story, the magic of the show. And mas makaka-relate tayo kasi nga nilagyan namin ng a lot of Filipino culture and lingo and language and history. So we're sure that you're gonna enjoy it. So yun nga, as they said, please spread the word. Thank you very much.
Of course, I'd just like to say also that I have to give many thanks to the production, also GMA and the producers, kasi not only did we have to somehow mold into the magic of the show, it's wonderful to be given an opportunity by these people to be part of the magical show. Not only that, all of their support and believing in all of our acting, we were able to really perform our roles properly. So maraming salamat talaga to the production, Direct Joyce Bernal, EPs talaga, and producers for really believing in us to bring this show alive, especially with the only one and only Gil Cuerva, GMA's newest artist, and of course, future heartthrob.
Take it off, Nick! Take it off!
Ako na ba? So, ayun, tulad ng sinabi nila, I just want to thank you guys sa Kapuso Brigade, kayo rin sa mga vloggers na took the time to come here para panoorin yung pilot episode natin. I just want to thank GMA, kila Miss Cathy, Miss Actor, Miss Joy, sa production, and most especially kay Direct Joyce and kay Jenny. They've meant a lot to me throughout this entire show, lalo na baguhan pa lang ako. So they're not here, but I send my love to them wherever they are.
And they send their love to you as well.
Gotta give love to Gil sa stars.
So yun, maraming salamat. Thank you for supporting me.